Hey guys, and today I'm going to Nottingham's only cat cafe. I'm sorry that I've not been doing much gameplay. I've been doing lots of vlogs because it's the half term, but it's the last day of the half term. So sad. So I'll see you there, guys. You're a playful cat. Oh, bye. What are you two playing with? What are you playing with? Get it. Oh, has it stopped? Ooh, get it! Oh. Get it! Hey, hop! Oh, it's good as the cat's coming. You've been playing with this for an hour. You enjoy it? Getting bored now. Oh, you not want... No? Sit down and go around, just watching it. Sleepy. What are you looking at? Oh no, bye then. Hello? Are you meowing? What are you meowing at? Oh, are you looking outside? Where are you? There you are. Hey, you can't go back to bed, guys. No, you're out to play now. Oh, the little kittens, these ones are. Aww. I need to see you. I'm sorry.